Howdy, howdy, my prepper posse. This is the view from the bus window. It's been pouring today, which was a great day to clean out the bus, get all the germs out. We didn't go and sell because we worked, and we were just way too tired. So that's alright, you still have to rest. Shout out to Mama G, laying up in the hospital. She's getting a bunch of testing done. She's okay. It's beautiful. It's clean. This is out the window. It's a beautiful view. Hope everybody's doing great. We have to go in the morning, and then we have lots to do because I feel like we're so far behind, but we'll get there. Where that little patch of green is, that's where I want to put a garden. This will be going on, the rains will be going on until tomorrow. However, we don't have to cross the creek, so that's a plus. And the water catchment is getting full right now, which is another plus. Enjoy your day, and don't forget to play. Alright, see you!